Namaste students, we are in the last part of block 14. So far we have been learning about the languages of India, the food of India, the clothes of India. Today we begin another topic. Before that I ask you a question. What kind of music do you like to hear? Yes, modern, loud music, tappy music. What do you hear? What do you like to hear? Today we are going to learn about the folk songs and folk dances of India. Right? Some of the folk dances of India are Garba, Bihu, Kummi and Bhangra. Okay? Garba, Bihu, Kummi and Bhangra. Some folk songs are Badai, Sohar and Baithali. Okay, it's Baithali actually. Folk songs are sung at the time of weddings or festival, or if there is the birth of child in a family. Folk songs are also sung while doing one's work, okay, everyday work, whether it is agriculture or any other. Okay, in the rural India, people do sing folk songs. And there are special songs like the boatsmen sing Baithali songs. So, which songs are sung in which regions? Which folk dances are performed in which regions? Let us try to understand. Folk songs and dances are usually performed at weddings, the birth of a child, during festivals, or to celebrate a harvest. Some folk songs like Baithali of West Bengal are sung by boatsmen. Folk dances are mostly performed in groups. They may be performed only by men, as in Bhangra of Punjab, or by both men and women as Bihu dance in Assam, or Garba dance of Gujarat. Folk dances like Kummi from Tamil Nadu are performed by women during festivals or harvest. Bihu and Bhangra dances are performed during the harvest season. How do people remember or practice folk dances or folk songs that are so old? These folk songs and folk dances are passed from older people to younger people over the years. For example, someone in Assam will learn the Bihu dance from his or her elders and later teach it to those who are younger than him or her. Right? So that was the question. How can people remember this old folk songs or old folk dances? These dances or songs are taught by the elders to their next generation, and the next generation they teach it to their children again. So that is how these folk songs and folk dances are passed from one generation to the next generation. That is how we know very old folk songs, right? Now for today's homework, students. Today's homework is workbook, finish S4. Classwork, answer practice question number 5 and practice question number 7. Okay? Workbook, finish S4 and answer practice question 5 and 7 in your classwork book. Okay, now let's watch this.